Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see a big update regarding the recruitment. This is for the HPCL company. They are now hiring an engineering graduate and giving a salary as a 25,000. So let's start with the video. We will see all the details. What is the eligibility criteria? How we can apply for this position? What are the important dates and selection process, etc. So first, see the important dates for this application. They are like accepting the online applications from the 22nd November, and the last date to apply for this job is 6 December. So you still have a time. Please go to that site. I will provide the link in the description. There you will get all the details and just go there, follow the procedure and apply for this job because last date is 6 December. So here they have given the eligibility criteria. So graduate apprentice engineering, only civil, mechanical, electrical and electronics and telecommunication, instrumentation, computer science and IT. These are the streams eligible. They can apply for this position. The age limit minimum you should have 80 years, maximum 25 years. And the age relaxation for 5 years for the SC ST, 3 years for the OBC NC and 10 years for the PWBD. Qualification criteria is engineering graduates from all these streams, civil, mechanical, electrical and electronics. All these streams are qualified, and 60% aggregate marks of all the semester years for general OBC NC caste and 50% for the SC ST PWBD. Okay, so this is the qualification criteria, age limit and all the eligible streams. Monthly they are providing 25,000. So eligibility requirement, only Indian nationals are eligible to apply. Then this apprenticeship will be for 1 year, and here they have given dates like which candidates can apply. So see, engineering graduates in civil, mechanical, electrical and electronics, electrical and telecommunication, instrumentation, computer science, IT streams who have completed a engineering graduation after 1st January 2020. After 1st January 2020 onwards are eligible to apply, and candidate pass out prior to that means the candidate who have pass out in 2018-90 batch are not eligible for this apprenticeship training. Okay, this is the main important instruction. Then candidates belonging to the general OBC NC category must have 60% aggregate, where candidates belong to SC ST PWBD must have 50% of aggregate. These are the big 2 points. All other details you can check. I will give the link in the description. Okay, so what will be the selection process? So you have to clear one interview. So tentative date they have given January 2022. Then process to apply for apprentices at HPCL. The process, you have to enroll on the NATS portal and you have to log in with your user ID password. Then you have to follow all these instructions which are given here. So I will share the link in the description. Just go through that instructions and apply for this job. The important notes. So here they have first point they have given HPCL does not give any commitments or providing a permanent or temporary employment to apprentice on successfully completion of apprenticeship period. So this job period will be for 1 year. So there may be a chance on the basis of your performance they may give you a permanent position, but it's not the commitment. This apprenticeship program will be for 1 year only. Then this is for all locations across the India, so anyone can apply. And then general conditions, the engagement of apprentices will be governed by the Apprentices Act 1961. Then this is for the 1 year only, and the stipend you will get 25,000. And if you have any queries related to this, you can just mail to this mail ID, or they have given phone number as well for your queries. Every all the details are given in their portal notification. I will share link in description. Yeah, so that's it for the HPCL recruitment. Just go to the link, apply for this job. It's a very good opportunity for everyone.